Hey, this is part number 3. If you haven't watched the first 2 parts, go give it a watch. We got some interesting ones this time, like Qipao, Stockings, and Netorare if you're into it, I guess. So I don't want to hold you back any longer. Keep watching. Monster Girl.
If
Horns and like, I don't know, man. I don't know, it's scary. No defense? F tier. Thank you.
Yep.
Muscles.
who's having the muscles?
I presume the female protagonist.
Okay, then F tier, F tier.
What? I mean, I don't mind a little buff,
No,
if it's
I
like
wouldn't
extremely buff, then it's weird. Yeah, that's weird for any male or female. Yeah, if she, flexes her arm and it's like a little sculpted, that's nice. She's like, oh, fucking cool.
no.
If you're afraid she'll crush your mouth.
Just search of muscle anime. Kila, the above.
Where? What?
The one where she's holding dumbbells. Oh, sorry.
Do you know how little that narrows it down?
Okay, maybe I'll compromise this one for you guys so that, next one.
No. Trust me, nobody's gonna contest for that one. E already. Okay.
Okay.
Netorare, also known as NTR.
No, Netorare is being unfaithful or something.
Yeah,
That's actually a lot of categories in NTR, like 6 categories.
It's cheating. I'll set you the scene, right? This dude and this woman, they're married or something, right? They go on a vacation. The guy's like hiding in the room for some reason. But then suddenly the female brings in another dude and they're doing it. And he's experiencing it. He's watching it. And he's like, what's my life? But then the female's having a lot of fun.
Yeah,
S tier.
S tier.
E.
What? E? Wait, the dude's literally in depression. He's going to lose his life. He's sad as fuck.
There's something to watch.
I will give it a C or a
Something
D.
to watch. C or a D?
Oh, see? Okay, yes, nice.
I have to rethink my choices of, you people as my friends, man. Maybe I've chosen my friends wrong.
Yeah, S tier,
I don't
definitely.
even want to bother. Where the fuck do you guys want this shit?
I will give it a S tier.
S.
What is it gonna be? I will do it with
B
E.
tier, B tier. Put it in B.
Yeah, fine. Suck it.
What if they're having a bad marriage?
What? Do you think you're a savior now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You fucking idiots. B tier.
No,
Fine.
not B. It doesn't deserve a B. Maybe a D or something.
B la vechachna, you should not take it. அப்படியே put dark in.
He will give up anything for this to go up, man.
Ninja.
Wait, is it like
what's
Kunoichi? You can search it, search பண்ணி பாரு.
Okay.
Yeah, like put girls or something. Like
Yeah,
anime.
what else is coming? Is there anything else pop up
Anime
here?
girls. Anime girls.
That's what's coming up here.
See,
my
for the
man.
appeal,
Yeah, for the appeal, I'm
I'll give it
glad
a
to give it a
A or a B.
Yeah, A or a B. Yeah. But anything else? No.
எனக்கு அந்த இமேஜ் பார்த்த அப்புறம் ஏன்னு தோணுது.
All right, it's an
So
A.
it's an A.
Oh, A is big now.
Line 2.
Images.
Yes. None.
none.
Okay.
A.
None, I don't know. She's like E tier.
Why?
Why?
See.
What? Why is she an E tier?
Adan.
Why do you like a shrine maiden but not a nun?
None
We have
is
something-
everything I stand for.
என்னடா சொல்றீங்க?
As a church-going boy, he will stand for any nuns.
Is it because their hair is covered or something?
No, it's நைட்டி போட்டிருப்பாங்க தானே.
No, it's not loose clothes. It's tight nighty.
Me and David say it's an A. What do you guys say?
I'm saying it's an E.
I said C.
Preference இல்ல இந்த இதுல.
C.
Dude.
Yep.
Okay. Nurse.
Nurse.
Okay, this
Nurse.
B.
Yeah, I would put her in A.
Yes. Yeah.
D or A.
It's an S tier, man. It's an S tier.
Depends on how much pain
How much pain? What?
how much pain you're going through. If it's an actual injury, you should.
Dude, why would...
டேய் நீ பாக்குறத பாரு.
வசனமாடா முக்கியம் படத்தை பாடுறா.
You're not gonna definitely come across her because of a major accident, man. It's fine. What if you're just going for your regular health checkup,
But it's unprofessional. Okay. Yeah, it's an
Unprofessional?
A.
Who cares,
It's a
man?
A
She's
for
hot.
me.
You like
Yes.
it. She likes
A.
it. It's an
We
S
need
tier.
another yes. Yeah.
S tier. Let's push it.
Yay.
S fucking tier. Let's go, boys. Very nice. Damn. What does that say about us? Ojousama.
Oh, like
Oh, A.
She's big, powerful woman. She's entitled as fuck.
He orders you around her. It'll be your job to pleasure her, so it's A.
This man's like, I'm here to do my job. Gladly, let's get to it.
Most of the time, you wouldn't get the pleasure out of her. So
Yeah, exactly. I want, more of an
you'll be doing
understanding
the
in
work. No, I wouldn't care. I would have side bitches. So A. In my fantasy, it's an A.
C.
Yeah, see.
C. Office lady.
She's 8 tier.
It's an A, right?
It's a
Yeah. A.
Orgasm Denial.
Oh, that's S tier.
Actually, weirdly enough, I would say that's an S too. Like the thing is, during the process, right? This plays as a back and forth thing. There's a role reversal between who's taking control and who's giving back control. And then finally, when they do attain it, there's a bigger amount of like pleasure, right? Yeah. But there's still a back and forth. There's still more action leading up to that point because both of them want to get that shit done, right? So it's like, it's normal, but on ranked mode.
Yeah.
Oh, A tier. There you go. Pegging. Somebody said they knew what pegging is.
Yeah,
I know what the pegging is.
I don't know what that is.
Yeah, okay, search.
See, pegging is usually a guy.
No, search.
Yeah, I'll just say
use
pegging.
it.
வேணாம்
Pegging is usually the use of strap-ons from
Okay,
a female
yeah,
partner.
no. Cursed.
Dude, why?
Cursed as fuck.
Oh my God.
அவன் explain பண்ண சொல்லிட்டு. Wait. Why is it?
I watched this one webtoon, it's called Sadistic Beauty. So the girl is somehow sadistic. In order to punish the guy, she uses a bigger one.
I don't know, man. That's it's too.
I don't know.
See, instead, you can do bondage and orgasm denial. Does anybody want it to go higher than this?
No.
Exactly, it stays.
But அவன் correct தான். He is saying yes, so it can be
pregnant.
Yeah, F.
Yep, there we go. Okay, so this is, I believe it's pronounced Qipao. There are different styles with the Chinese dress, right? You can add in this thing, and you can add a chest window. You can add tights, and you also have this. What do you call that? Yeah, that thing. It's nice. Mainly it exposes your thighs. Hot as fuck. It's temptation. It's like you can see, but you can't see it exactly.
Sorry.
Right?
Sorry.
No, you can't see this in a sari. Do you get this experience in a sari? No, you don't.
I don't like saris.
Why?
Yeah, even I don't like it.
I will fight anybody to death who says saris are not an S tier.
No, it's F tier.
If you say anything other than S tier, I will use someone to peg you.
A tier.
S tier though, no?
Hey, no, that's too much.
Fine. Shimapan.
What's Shimapan?
Oh, you mean that
That's
beach wear.
that blue and white striped pants. That's Shimapan.
What, that's category for that?
Apparently, right? I genuinely don't give a shit. Yeah. What is that? It's trying to give me some weird illusions. Yeah. Spats.
Oh.
No. What? Wait.
Oh, yeah.
I like how it went from no, absolutely no, to actually.
Nagatoro. Okay.
Okay,
I think B tier.
A B should be fine.
I mean, I'd say Spats is more of a B. I'd say it's a B. It's a B. C for you.
Stockings. Yes, tier.
Irada,
Yes.
wait for the avasarapadadra. B ya, C ya, yeah.
B. Okay.
Stockings.
And the next one is S tier.
Yes, yeah.
There we go. What a unanimous. Diniki, would you like to interfere?
Like எனக்கு சர்ச் பண்ணாத ஓகே எஸ்
கண்டுபிடிச்சியா சர்ச் பண்ணி
Search பண்ணா. Want examples?
Let's
இல்ல,
find examples. Who can we find?
Yeah,
Parada, we want to find
just-
examples.
We
We get office lady, we get school girl, idol perhaps.
and even the shrine maiden.
As you can see, it's very versatile and it's very arrow. I mean, even though I don't have a foot fetish, I'm not.
Wait, par Hayasaka irukka par.
Oh, Hayasaka. No, I forgot Hayasaka.
She's my pure maiden. Don't spoil her, please.
Yeah, and Genshin Impact. is
Exactly.
main
Yeah.
example.
Genshin போடவா?
என்னால ஒத்துக்கிட்டேடா எஸ்
உனக்காக இல்ல இது.
It's not about you. Everything
Yeah,
is
shut the fuck up, man. It's not about you. எல்லாமே உன்னை பத்தி இருக்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படாது தினேஷ். We digress. Stockings, yes.
Stockings are S tier.
S for stockings.
So
Yeah.
we need a glasses
no.
wearing, nurse cosplaying, stocking wearing woman. That's the woman of our dreams.
So it's like least controversial, no? It's going to S tier, la.
Well, that's it for this video. That does it. We're almost there. Just one more video to go and we'll be done with the tier list and we can talk about the conclusions.